Came out to the picking pool today. About to get my speed up cap. It's kind of hot out here. And yeah. I might grab some bolts for the drive shaft, and then I'm out of here. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm gonna go check out, see what they got. Heard they got a Roush up here. Got it. I'm so pissed right now. I ended up breaking my phone on the rocks. I don't know. I'm still gonna go check out the Roush though. I think it's over here somewhere. But I did find the part that I need, but I definitely... Oh, here we go, right here. Let me clean the camera. There we go. It's pretty clean. Yeah, got the block in there. Not much left of it though. You got that rear end. Yeah, they gutted it out. There's really nothing left. Probably was a clean car at one point. Yep, all the little trunk pieces is gone. Everything. Yeah, clean car. Yeah, I really don't know the difference between clean title and normal title cars. Like, people say they prefer clean title. Don't understand that whole thing. But, you know, it's just the same. I mean, it's the same thing. Like, it's the same car. I mean, if you plan on restoring it or modifying it, then does it really matter if it's clean title or not? That's what I want to know. Yeah, so somebody tell me what's the point in having a clean title car if you get the same car with the same part, same everything, and it's just salvage title, you know? Yeah. I want to know. Somebody comment below, let me know. And the reason why I want to know, because my Mustang is salvage title. It's not clean title. So, like, what's the difference? Like, I mean, it's probably no difference to me. But yeah, somebody let me know, man. I'm on my way heading out of here, getting back to the Mustang, so I could cap off this small part, and then, yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. So, this is my 1990 Mustang hatchback, baby. Save this thingy. I've been working on this car for about some time, on and off. That brings me to this. I have a beautiful dashboard. My steering wheel is not that bad. My carpet is not that bad. This thing does not stay closed. I need to figure out what I can do to make that close and stay closed. But yeah, I ended up having a cluster. I said I didn't have a cluster, but I did end up having a cluster. when I bought this car, I got a gang of parts. I just looked through the parts because I was trying to find the starter bolts. I ended up having to use some bolts from Plymouth. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and put the fluids in that I do have, because I don't have all the fluids. And yes, I did get that part to work that I picked up from the pick-a-poo. Yeah, I was really surprised that little idea that I had worked, because right now I don't have money to be going to go buy parts that I don't necessarily need. But now that I have a cluster, I kind of do need it. So, what the hell was that about? Let me grab some gloves. Yeah, that's what you want to do, man. You want to grab some gloves, because, like, I hate messing up my fingers. I always mess up my fingers. It's just a thing that I do. Working on cars is like, I don't know, it's a good way to get injured. If you one of those people who just love getting injured, like my fellow bikers, people who I bike with, people that, you know, ride, you know how it is to get hurt. But I'm going to tell you, you take up working on cars and shit like that, if you don't work on cars, you take up working on cars, you'll get hurt too. So I got half and half, a little bit of half and half. I don't have a lot. Let's see what my pour game like. Boy. I don't need no stinking funnel. Yeah, so that's all I got. No more fluids, man. Support your boy. Go and get a t-shirt. It's so simple. Motormouth Slicks on the t-shirt, man. So simple. All you gotta do is go to my Instagram, which is Motormouth_Slicks with an S _, and go and DM me, and you can get a t-shirt that easy. I can send it to you wherever you are, and you can help your boy out, because as you see right now, I don't have fluids. I want a sponsor. I wouldn't mind having a sponsor, man. I've seen some of those other YouTubers, they got sponsors, man. So if you know a sponsor, tell them I'm a DIY channel. I'm working on the Fox, and I definitely need fluids right now, ASAP, all the time. And this won't be the only time I need fluids. I got other cars too. So yeah, sponsor my projects, man. Help me save this thangy, baby. Peace.